referendum I got you made nothing land. What all I know she left for I wear.
Okay.
What do I not find? What I am fit?
Our elder in support of Biafran referendum conference.
I got it. Everybody never put me. Go to the anywhere.
Yeah, go reality. Okay, no more local. Oh, my God, green, white, green.
I'm sure don't know. I should be simple. It's going to sound my fault. I will ask my family. The hands again. Why is it for a guy? Which equation say? Now, referendum I got you made nothing land. What all I know she left for I wear. What do I not find? What do I am fit? Age eagle, more motor, more ubelu, but I will go a bit, more one and where I got a biata.
Yes, sir.
The buying name for me.
We are in support.
Yes, sir. Well, then no Shadania, never did she. Yes, oh, Venonga. I bet I hunger. Imulaga.
Yes. A lot of people are in support of what is going on. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe. If you are returning subscribers, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for coming back to watch the video. I appreciate you. Please comment and share. If you are watching from Facebook, please click on like, follow the page, share the video to your family and friends. Comment. The video that you are about to watch is Biafran Liberation Army on training. You know, a lot of people say that Simon Ewa just gathered a few people and they claim that there's a number of armies, that there is a good number of armies to face a Nigerian army. So I just want you to see their training, then you will know if these people are just few or not. Although he made it clear in his broadcast that this number of people that you are seeing, you know, that you saw on the parade last time actually is just few people that they could afford their uniform. Let's watch. You can see some people are in the background. You can see some people on the background. They are not just only these people in front. According to Simon, he said that they are up to 100,000 men on ground. Because people are asking how can they join. They want to get recruited in the Biafran army, but he made it clear that they are not recruiting anybody at the moment.
At your own time. Target. Fire.
You can see their training. You can see what is going on. So this is not hearsay. You are seeing it with your own eyes. This is serious. These are professional trainers working with the Biafran Liberation Army. Then tomorrow somebody will come online to yap nonsense. Guys, a few weeks ago, people from DOS and their media warriors were sharing information that Samanekpa is having a problem with Madam Azuka. Although some of us don't believe that, we are like, what is going on, that is not possible. But the turnout of events, makes us to start suspecting that there could be something going on that we don't know about. Until the day of a Biafran convention, when people were going, Simon was busy, reporting people that are on their way and all that. I, for one, search and trying to figure out if there's any information showing that Madam Azuka is traveling. At end, I didn't see anything. I said, okay, maybe that the cancellation of flight that I heard about that took place in many countries could be with the reason why she did not fly. Then the convention was going on. The first day, come and gone. Second day, where I said, okay, maybe she will be on the second day, and she didn't come. Then I went to her Twitter to check, and she was posting and thanking people that traveled and all that, but there was no sign that she's on her way or anything like that. Then later people were like questioning her, what is going on. She came up with some excuses that she has an issue, circumstances that beyond her control and all that she couldn't make it. Now she decided to post this video to thank people that traveled, to welcome them back, appreciate a kind of appreciation, that people traveled and all that. Let's hear what she said.
Hello, Biafrans! I just want to thank those that traveled to Finland. I hope you're back safely. And those that did not travel, I want to equally thank you and let you know that we are all in this together. My woman's greeting goes to our ESN and our Liberation Army. Hey guys, you guys are doing an amazing job. It shows that you are ready to fight. You're ready for everything. You are the man. And we want to let Nigerian government know that our freedom and the release of our leader Mazin Nandikanu is non-negotiable. Give us our freedom, let's go home. Release our leader Mazin Nandikanu. We are marching home, Biafrans. Everybody, I want to encourage you. Put in your base, keep pushing, keep moving,
okay.
And we are almost there. Remember, Biafran first, Biafran first, Biafran first,
Okay.
Biafran.
Okay.
Hello, Biafran.
And posted it on her Twitter handle, and Biafran decided to respond, to react, because many people were disappointed on her decision not to travel for the convention, considering her post in the Biafran government in Ezra. People were like, what is going on? This our brother here, Mazi Chibeze, welcome back, and we thank God for the journey mercy. And Chris M said, it sounds fake to me. This is not Madam Azuka. I know something is off. Okay, West Africa Wires area says, could you guys notice that Egbeje Jog is getting younger and younger than ever? She looked like under 16, seriously, with double dimples. Okay, this is appreciation and a nice comment. This person says, looks like she is pregnant to me, or am I not seeing well? Anyway, we have to protect our Prime Minister and his cabinet members at all costs. In every struggle, there will always be twists and turns, disagreement and little misunderstanding, but keep your eyes on the ball. Gossip not. So these are some of these comments are just hitting back to the rumors that there's something between Madam Azuka and Samunekpa, which shouldn't be our burden, shouldn't be our concern. But for her not to travel to Finland is a thing of concern to me. And I was made it clear in the other video that Biafrans, if you are supporting Biafrans, you need to be careful and keep your hands clean, because Biafrans are not stupid. Once you misbehave, they understand your body language. They knows what you are trying to do and what you are saying. A lot of comments here and hitting back at Madam Azuka, which I may not go through all of them. They are honorable. Go further and do what is needed to be done. Make sincere apology where necessary. Don't lose precious time. It was rumored that Madam Azuka is following some people that are one Nigerianist, all those people that are fighting against the struggle, fighting against the Biafran freedom, people that are in battle with Samunekpa, that are calling for his head. So I heard about it, and if it is true, it is a turn off for me. And I want to use this opportunity to go to her page. Let's go together and see who Madam Azuka is following. Now you can see here, University of Biafra, Mouthpiece, the Goodman, Simon Ekpa, Biafra Queen. You can see a lot of people here. Let's filter out those that are suspects. For me, if she is following those people, then she will be a suspect to me, and I would believe that Samunekpa will also read the handwriting on the wall. Let's go down and see who Madam Azuka is following. Those people. Okay, Biafran writers. She's following Biafran writers, and she is following Omote Biafra, the green, white, green members. She is also following Canon Takano and Director State, that is DOS. If Madam Azuka can follow these people, that means she is not sincere to herself. To me, you can see here she following Charlie Boy. These are one Aisha Yusuf, and you are fighting for Biafra. You are following Labour Party. To me, this is a turn off. This is a turn off, and you can't be following these people and expect to be taken serious. I don't think it's possible. I don't think it's possible. It's not advisable at all. You can go scan through their pages if you want, but for you to follow them simply means that you are in partner with them, because you can't hold cross in the other hand and at the same time holding fowl for sacrifice in a shrine. You must choose your God. Tell me who you go with, and I will tell who you are. That's a common say. And For you to be in the office of Biafran government in Israel and you are partnering with these people is a no-no for me. It's a no-no for me. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, comment and share. It is very important. Thank you guys. Bye bye.